The Sabrina Carpenter drape. Just got waxed. My girlies that get waxed, you understand, but there is no greater feeling than after you get a wax and them cheeks be gliding together like a glazed donut. My girls that get it, y'all get it. Okay, if you get it, you get it. I go to European Wax Center. Been going there for like maybe a year and a half, maybe. I started going, I think it was a little last year, but anyway, I love it. Have the wax pass, makes life so much easier. I just pay like a large lump sum. I pay for like 9 full services, and then I just like spread them out for however long I need to. And I've been like on the same wax pass for like probably a year because I don't get waxed as frequently because my body hair grows really thin. But I feel so much better. She hooked me up. Good morning. I have had an early start to my day and I'm so proud of myself. I woke up, I made a breakfast sandwich. I don't know if you guys like are vegan or experimenting with vegan food, but I think it's great if you want to try it or if you're interested. 2 of my biggest goals, I've already done 2 of them, which is great. 4 of my big goals is to have 5K steps, to read 2 Bible pages out of my devotional that you guys know that I'm reading, which I did that today. I actually read like 4 pages. No, I read 3 pages worth of Bible reading. So I'm on Job. I'm on chapter 28. Oh my goodness, wait. I'm so proud of myself. I am desiring to be an early riser, okay? I really want to be like a 6 a.m., 7 a.m. girly. I woke up at like 6:30 this morning. It felt so good. I felt like I had time for myself. Like I had time to meditate. I caught up on my Bible readings. I made myself breakfast. I, did my hygiene things in the morning. And so I feel like I am being really productive so far in my day. I am about to go to the gym because I want to prioritize my steps. So the goal is to get 5K steps today. At some point, I want to get to 10K steps a day, but 5K steps is a good start for me right now. Let's go to the gym. Let's keep this productivity going. Guys, I am so proud of myself. I did 6,000 steps. Like, it's so easy to get to 5,000 steps on a treadmill. And I'm just so proud of myself. 6,000 steps. And I'm sure I'll hit an even higher number as the day goes on. That's a win for the day. We actually checked off our big 4 goals today. If you are a part of Transformation Church, then you know Vision Sunday is like the big day. It's when Pastor Michael Todd gives us the word for the year. I'm not going to spoil it in case you don't know the word of the year because social media spoiled it for me. And I just like to watch it and then figure it out. But I already know what the word is. It's a really great word. It's a really, really great word. So I'm excited to hear Pastor Mike talk about it later and catch up on church and then spend a little bit more time in my Bible readings because Pastor Mike said this will be your best year if it's your best year spiritually. And I fully believe that. look what we got in the mail. We got a restock of my Fenty hair. Y'all know I use these products religiously for my wash days every single week. I love all of these products. Like, y'all know, you already know I use them all the time. I can't recommend them enough. This is what I use for my hair every week to wash my hair. And it smells incredible. Y'all know this was bone dry. I ran out. It's like Christmas. This is why I have to wash my hair every single week, because my scalp gets really, really dry and I get these huge chunks of dandruff directly on my scalp. So usually when my scalp is freaking out, I'll use this from the Inky List. I like the one from Taraji P. Henson's line, but I must have ran out. This one is really good because it has salicylic acid. I just get really crazy like dandruff buildup on my scalp. I'm gonna put this on my scalp now and let it sit for a little bit. Then I'll rinse it out and start my normal shampoo and condition. Okay, while my deep conditioner is doing its thing, I'm gonna start on my dinner. I already made the tofu bacon bits. They are done. So I have to I have to bake the zucchini and the squash. So I'm gonna slice these up. Let me actually turn on the oven. I'm gonna slice some of these up. They actually get really, really small as they cook. So I'm going to slice up 2 whole ones, so a total of 4. And then I'll put them in the oven, and then I'm gonna start boiling the pasta. I'm making one of my absolute favorite recipes from my good friend and good girl, Shakayla Felice. Her squash and zucchini pasta with tofu bacon bits. This one pasta had me hooked for like a solid month. Not even kidding.
What I'm trying to let you know is the vision is attached to what you hear first. Because everything you hear shapes what you see. So my prayer at the end of this message and at the end of this series we're about to start, I can't tell you the title of it until the end. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Because I'm about to give you the word of the year. And I'm telling you, this thing, okay, for anybody's like, word of the year, y'all keep saying this word of the year. God literally shapes the focus of this local body. That this word is going to be confirmation for many of us. That it's going to be an eye-opener for some, and that's why I have to build the value of vision to you, because many of us are just existing and we have no vision. The Bible says that where there is no vision, the people cast off restraint. Another translation says they stop caring. Another translation says they wander around in circles. What has your life been like?
This is stuff that I put aside that I'm going to be donating for the people in Los Angeles. I have a couple makeup bags that I just don't need, and a bunch of skincare. SPF is in here, cleansers, makeup from CoverGirl, Sol de Janeiro body mists are in here, face masks, cleansers, pimple patches, makeup removers. So this is going to be one box that I'm going to ship out tomorrow. I don't even know what these are. So grab those. Feel free to donate to those that are in Los Angeles that have lost everything. So yeah, that's everything that I'm going to be donating. But I just encourage you guys, if you have any extra makeup, PR, skincare, beauty products that are just laying around your apartment or your place, donate them. Now this is some new PR. I'm not going to show you because it tells my address on it. There's some new PR that I also have to go through and sort out. But luckily this is an ongoing thing, so we'll be doing this routinely. Hello, we have some sponsor content to make today, so it's for Ulta. So I'm about to go to Ulta to get some stuff. Okay, we are in the car. Gonna run a few little errands. But tomorrow we're actually going on a little retreat. I'm so excited about it. We're going on a retreat tomorrow. It's gonna be very, very great. I am so excited about this. It's very, very, very much needed. And very much appreciated for sure. Excuse me? And we're gonna run a little bit of errands, and then when we get back to the home, we're gonna pack. Luckily, we're only staying overnight, so it's not like for an extensive amount of time. When we get back, we will pack all of our belongings and the things that we need. We will go from there. Okay, shaking that ass. I got the new Sabrina Carpenter drink, and I'm gonna try it for the first time with you guys. This better give me espresso. I hope it's gotta be sweetened because it's brown sugar. Okay. Okay, let's see what it's giving. It's actually giving. I'm glad I got a small because I'm really not a big coffee drinker, but it's giving. It's good. I'm working late because I'm a singer. Oh, you look so cute. Wrapped on my finger. This is the power of light. If you go to events and you just like, or you take a lot of selfies and you don't have one of these lights, you need to get one. Look at the lighting without the light. Okay, with the light. Oh. You can see my concealer concealing. Get you one of these. This is not the Alex Earl. I just got this off Amazon. This is a part of my tech collection on LTK. Oh, I think I might have to get the little ring light that goes with the DJI. Because look how much better that looks. The power of lighting. Oh, I also activated my second phone. So this is the new iPhone 16 Pro Max, I think. I like it so far. I like the fact that the old phones have the like this toggle here, but this one is just like the new phone is just a button, so you just press it instead of flicking. Love that. But yeah, I have two cellulars. I did get a case for this one and a privacy screen because I just like having privacy screens on my phone, especially when I'm doing work-related tasks, signing contracts, stuff like that. We're doing that. But yeah, this is gonna be my personal phone. So if you still have my number, it's still the same, don't worry. But I have a second line. If you're a work-related friend, you'll get the second line. But if you're a personal friend, you'll get both. But work-related friends will just have this line. So yeah, I'm excited to have both of these phones, and hopefully it'll give me more work-life balance with my job, because I found that like when I was with like friends and family that I would be glued to my phone. I would be on socials, and then I would get inspired or want to like do something for work, and then I'd go into my content calendar and like move things around, and then I'd answer emails and stuff like that. So I'm like, no, I just want to have something separate. So this will be my work phone where I do all work things related. This will be personal where I just like text, call. I don't even think I'm gonna have social media on this phone. I think I'm gonna take it off. So it'll just be on this phone so I can separate the two. But I'm excited for that. If anything, I want to try it to see how it goes and see if it makes a difference. But I feel like it will. I really feel like it will. So, but I'm about to get some sushi. I love the fact that like everything is switched over. So I can literally just start editing content on this phone, which is phenomenal. And then I'm probably going to completely wipe this phone dry of everything, like all photos, are gonna be off. I mean, I will still have them and I can airdrop them to myself, but this phone is gonna be completely wiped clean. If you guys are content creators and you have a separate line, let me know how that's going for you. I know a couple of my friends from the collective have separate phones, so it's going well for them, so I hope it goes well for me. I'm sure it will, but we'll see. But I'm excited to get sushi. I'll see you guys when I get back. I might take you with me, I may not, I don't know. We'll see, but I'll see you guys soon.